Vintage cake for my baby's monthly cake. Cake color is a combination of Chef Master Rose Pink and Buckeye Brown to match with my baby's outfit. Actually, I made this last month and forgot to edit it. Sorry sa voiceover, medyo pause because I got sick. My cake size is usually 7 by 3 but this one is 6 by 3. Leftover sa previous order ko na mini 2-tier cake. Frosting I use is my favorite Swiss Meringue buttercream. Unfortunately, I cannot share my recipe but I'll make a similar one soon and share it here. Now pipe the borders. Let's start with the 4B piping tip. I use Chef Mustard Buckeye Brown for this color. Do this on the top and bottom of the cake. Layer it with another border using this piping tip. This one has no number, just refer na lang sa video. For the color, it's Chef Master Rose Pink pa din. Mukha lang siyang peach because buttercream has yellow undertones. Pinalibutan ko lang yung nude icing ng light pink sa top part. Same goes to the bottom part. Next, use this tip. It has no number also. I'll do the parang curtain sa side or whatever you want to call that. Pa-zigzag yung pag-pipe. Number 2 piping tip or any writing tip will do for this design. Parang nag-outline or nagsusulat ng curved lines. Next, pipe again with a nude buttercream to seal the gaps. To achieve this, para ka lang nagpa-pipe going up. Add details like this. Vintage cakes are all about texture, so add as many details as you want. To complete the look, I'll add this gold dragées. This pretty little thing can really make your cake beautiful, trust me. I also added a number 7 candle. And here's the cake. Thank you so much for watching. If you want videos like this, don't forget to follow me.